travelers, it is a hot Saturday here at Disney Springs. We've made our way down to Disney Springs because we're going to try CityWorks' brunch today because they actually posted an item on their social media that got me intrigued, and the name of it got me intrigued. So come along and let's see what CityWorks has to offer us for brunch today. Travelers, we have made our way into CityWorks, and we are here for brunch and brunch only today, right here. And Michelle believes we should have to sing what item we are getting, which I'm not sure about that, but we'll see.
Because I want to know what song you're going to come up with, what you're going to order.
Well, we actually came here because CityWorks posted a picture of one of their brunch items, and I'm going to show you their brunch item right now. That right there is the BUN Jovi. So we are definitely getting that today, along with some other items. So BUN Jovi, that's the name that got me hooked right there. BUN Jovi, and that's $11 by the way. There's so many good flavors.
I like the Jimi Hendrix.
See, Michelle's been reading these, and I've been talking to other people.
The Let It Be LTE.
Okay, I might get the Jimi Hendrix. Jimi Hendrix, all in my brain. It's a breakfast chimichanga. They'll drive you insane.
They do have stuff on the back too, so they still have classics.
Yeah, you can get the regular menu if you want. But I was also looking.
When you're getting the appetizer, it's like dessert for an appetizer.
No, it's a cinnamon roll. It's our leading up.
That's like dessert.
It's a cinnamon roll. No, it's not dessert. It's a cinnamon roll.
It's dessert.
I did notice one of the hard stuff drinks that they serve for breakfast here, and it's called the Flapjack Old Fashioned. Devil River's Rye Whiskey, Butterscotch Schnapps, candied maple syrup, bacon, and orange bitters. That sounds good. There's no way I could drink it, but $15, that's not bad for a drink. So what'd you decide on? Because you got to sing it. Because I sung my Jimi Hendrix. Nothing.
Well, you know, I'm not a big breakfast fan. I'm a brunchish kind of person.
Well, there's the boss. It's an 8-ounce sirloin.
I saw that. But
how about a burger then? Go with the burger.
I can't get over something like
it's the
smells
copper
strange.
top.
Well, it's giving off an odor.
They have copper top tables, and when they clean them,
it smells like you've rubbed metal.
Right, because that's what copper is. It's metal.
I think I'm going to have.
That's not. You're not on the brunch menu.
I don't want eggs. Everything has
okay,
eggs.
No. Okay, I will let you pass since we're getting the.
There's a donut stop. Believe in. A sweet child of mine. See, that's all. It sounds good, but I don't want it sweet.
But you won't like that because it's got blackberries in it, and the seeds will drive us crazy.
I love blackberries.
Okay, fine. You get that. You get that.
I should have brought my glasses. I can't see.
Would you like
I'm gonna have to start using them from now on. No.
Okay. Well,
there's a What's the Story Morning Glory.
It's like she's taking the L.
I know. I keep flipping it over and over.
So, I'm going to go. Oh, they have sweet tea here, by the way, and it is fantastic. Great job, CityWorks, on the sweet tea. You know how you go to some places and not get sweet tea? This is a good sweet tea.
I want something like spicy, like a little, little heat.
Okay, let me go help her find something spicy. So what do you?
I don't understand. I'm getting old because I don't understand why they have to blast the music, especially music that I don't know, and it just becomes like a beat and a rhythm in my head. So it makes me angry. It's like either play something top 40. I'm starting to rant. I'm getting angry because I can't find anything.
So I did decide on the Jimi Hendrix, and that's a breakfast chimichanga with scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, green onions, pico de gallo, smoked cheddar, chipotle salsa remoulade, fried flour tortilla, and cheesy potato casserole. Michelle went with the classic bacon cheeseburger, and that's $20. And it's hardwood smoked candy thick cut bacon. That sounds fantastic. aged Vermont white and yellow cheddar cheeses. Comes with all the accoutrements, and she opted out of the fries and went with the Caesar salad today. So, and she ordered
Which
some.
is not any better calorie-wise, but I just
But
went
it
in the mood
looks
for
better.
fries.
And she ordered some Nashville hot
I
sauce.
don't really like fries out at a restaurant.
No? Okay. The John Bun Jovi has arrived. Looks a little different than the picture, but look at this. All of that sauce right there, all of that goodness. Cannot wait to give this a try. And this plate is hot. It's from all the cinnamon.
It's like diabetes in a plate.
Yeah, pretty much so. So we cannot wait to give this a try.
All right,
Okay,
here we go.
here we go. Cheers, honey, to the
I'm going to be in the
John
hospital
Bun
before the end
Jovi
of the
that
day.
brought us into City Works today. Here we go. I was not ready for the citrus topping. I thought it would be, but it's like an orange glazed citrus topping. But
It's very orange. It's very sweet,
sweet.
but it's very good.
It is
It's really
very good.
But it's really sweet.
It is. We might only have to eat half of this and take the rest of it home. The manager stopped by, asked if we were enjoying our John Bun Jovi, which we are.
Orange, you happy?
She's back on the roll. Oh. Woo. This is definitely shareable between 4 to 6 people.
I'm glad I got a salad.
Yeah, and apparently he did tell us that they just changed the glaze on this. They added a little orange zest and a
You
little
can
orange
actually
juice.
see it.
Yeah, it makes it. It's good. It's really good.
I'll show you the little orange pieces. This is a family share that you have on vacation
I tell you,
or early retirement.
if you eat this, you better go walk around the parks for a little bit.
Although, other than the glaze, it's not that dense.
No, it's
like
not
you think it
heavy.
would be. It's a light croissant.
Uh-huh.
So if you get past the sweetness of the glaze, it's not
So
that
let
bad.
me ask you this: You're eating cinnamon rolls. I'm a cinnamon roll aficionado. What is your favorite part of the cinnamon roll?
My favorite part,
Yeah,
the inside.
the inside ring. And I'm an outside ring person. I like the crispy, crunchy on the outside.
No, I would
so-
take all the centers out like that right there.
Yeah, see, there she goes. That's smart.
Well, now that I know you want out, I'm gonna take.
I don't want that
The
one.
sugar's already got me.
Yeah, sugar got her. So leave in the comments down below, what's your favorite part of a cinnamon roll? Our entrees have arrived for our brunch.
Plate's kind of warm.
And this is, oh my gosh, Michelle's bacon cheeseburger right there. And
This
her
is the point
salad.
where everybody around
Look
us
at that.
looks, so
Yes.
I try to duck out.
Right there, that is hers.
They're like, why is her food going in the air?
And I went with a brunch item today. I went with the Jimi Hendrix. And that is my Jimi Hendrix right there. And it comes with cheesy potatoes. But that's Jimi Hendrix with these sauces and all that good stuff. Now let's give these a try. And let me pick these green onions off the top of this Jimi Hendrix.
Found my salad while he's picking his onions.
Okay, you do that.
I think it's just salad.
I need to use my knife for my Jimi Hendrix. But it's got icing all over it. Should I go ahead? I was going to use my knife so it'd get all nice and sweet stuff on my Jimi Hendrix.
It's a salad.
Well, of course, it's a Caesar salad. Ooh, let me show you the inside of this. Look at the inside. That's definitely a breakfast Jimi Hendrix right there. Cheers. It's close. Cheers. Here we go.
Oh man,
That's good.
oh, that's good.
Yep.
Oh,
Jimi
now I'm
Hendrix.
jealous.
Would you like to switch?
No,
Okay, good.
I'll eat what I chose. Oh,
And,
and it's a little spicy. That's really good.
and this is the cheesy potatoes. We always have order envy sometimes.
We do.
I can change it.
No,
We'll
no,
take
no.
that home.
But it is. This
Okay.
is good. Hey, can I have my knife back?
Knife back.
Thank you.
Thank you. Potatoes aren't bad. Everything does have a little spice to it, which makes it nice.
Well, now you're bragging.
No, I'm not bragging. Look at that. You want to try it? You want me to try it?
I want you to, if you want to try it, try it.
You going to take a bite of that at the same time?
I was going to let that Jimi Hendrix linger a little bit, you know.
I'll give you more Jimi Hendrix. Here we go.
Wow, it's a big burger.
Yeah, it is a big burger.
I gave you that. It was sticking out the other side.
Here we
All
go.
right, here we go.
Mm. That's really tasty.
Mm.
That is a nice burger. I'm going to give her half
The
back.
bacon's thick.
Yeah. Did you put any hot sauce on it yet? Ah, good. She did get her some Nashville hot for that. So she's gotten really into
That's
the
good,
spices
though.
and stuff. They have agave straws, by the way. Just to let you know.
They get bonus points for that.
They get bonus points for the tea, the agave straws, the BUN Jovi, the Jimi Hendrix, the cheeseburger.
It's
It's
really
really
good.
all good. Very good. Michelle is having a moment. I believe she just got some of that Nashville hot.
Why did I do that?
What'd you do?
It's a good thing I just dunked my fork in it.
Oh, is it that hot?
Try it.
No, this is already
Oh,
spicy.
no, I insist. Try it.
No, this is already spicy enough.
Try it.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
don't get it on your lips.
Don't get it on.
It'd be good on that, maybe.
You can see the oil on top of it.
We'll go underneath the oil.
No, that's... Okay, here we go. How hot is it?
You'll live through it. I'm living.
But I don't need to put myself through this torture.
Just try it. It's not that
Okay.
hot. You're going to say it's not hot.
Oh, oh no. No, 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 no. Oh. Mm. Is that their chicken sandwich? Oh my God. My God. Oh my God. Oh. I may need some cinnamon rolls. Cut it with sugar. It's my philosophy.
It's making my nose run
Oh
just
my
that little
gosh, that
bit.
is so hot.
I was going to dunk my burger in it, but I'm glad I
Good thing you
didn't.
didn't. I don't know how somebody eats the Nashville hot chicken wrap.
They have that other hotter sauce, she said, too.
That's not the scorpion sauce, is it?
I don't think so.
Well,
You think it is?
I don't know. I don't know how you can
I
get
thought
some.
Nashville hot was like a honey. Like a hot onion.
There's nothing sweet about that. My tongue, I can't even talk. My tongue is numb.
Enjoy.
Oh. I'm not accidentally bite my tongue while I'm eating. Woo, buddy. We'll have to ask Sam when she comes back which sauce that is.
I think it's the Nashville.
Okay. Well then,
But they say they mop the chicken with it.
I would not want the scorpion. No way.
I don't want the Nashville hot. Look, it's making my nose run.
I know.
I literally just dipped my fork in it.
Travelers, we are enjoying our brunch here at CityWorks. Don't forget, if you are enjoying our content, to hit that like and subscribe and notification bell down below. So, travelers, we have had a great brunch here at CityWorks. I really enjoyed it. The food was nice and spicy. Thank you so much, Sam. She brought us a check and she brought us a box for the remainder of our John Bon Jovi right there.
I think
We're
that's
going to
why
take it
I'm ready
home.
to take a nap.
Yeah. Oh, can we go home and take a nap?
Probably.
Okay,
No,
we'll see. No, we got stuff to do.
It stopped raining.
So we're going to take our John Bon Jovi home, and it has been, like I said, we've had a great time here at our brunch. And like we always say, travelers, until next time, travel and adventure is out there.